Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to flickering screen Windows 11 fix when playing games PC. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open the Device Manager. There, display the line Monitors. Right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. Click on the option Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the analysis to finish. Close this window, right-click on the driver again and choose Update Driver. Now click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver you will install. Click Next and wait for this driver to be installed on your PC. After this, open the Device Manager again from Start. This time display the line Display Adapters, right-click on the driver and choose Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search for updates to be performed. Right-click on the driver again and open Update Driver. There, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver to install and click on Next. Wait for it to be installed. You can close the windows. Then open Settings from the Start menu. You will go to the Windows Update section and you will be able to validate if there is an update available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.